Go on motionbro.net and then install one of the free or paid presets. I already have one installed. You will need a preset pack for the extension to work properly. Now that we are done with that, install the extension. Extract it. Delete the unnecessary stuff. We only need a .zxp file. Install Zxp Installer. Link in description. Since many of you might use Zxp, we will need this to install MotionBra. Wait for it to install. Open the installer and follow what I do. Search up Zxp Installer and open it. Don't skip the video as there's more you need to do at the end. Drag your .zxp file or press Ctrl+O and choose your .zxp file. Now that you have it installed, extract your presets pack. Delete the unnecessary stuff. Run Adobe. Go on Windows then Extensions. Here you will find MotionBra. If you get this error, preset packs are not installed, go on the settings bar and then change the path to where you installed your presets. That should fix the problem. Now you can use MotionBra extension. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as that helps out the channel.